Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So, at first, to fix this, just right-click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Expand Task Manager, and from Processes, try to find Google Chrome and right-click on it and click on End Task. Do this for every single Google Chrome you find here. Just right-click on it and End Task. Make sure to close all of them. Then just close this. Then just go to search and search for Chrome. Then click on Open File Location on Chrome. And right click on it and click on Open File Location once again. Then you'll find Chrome.exe. Just rename this. Just rename this to Chrome 1. And try to open it and try to see if it works for you. If it doesn't, just rename it back to what it was. Just rename it back to Chrome.exe. And then just close this. And the last resort you can do is just go ahead and uninstall Chrome and then just open a different browser and go to Google and search for download Chrome. Then just go to the website of Chrome and simply just go ahead and click on download Chrome and download and reinstall Chrome. This is gonna work definitely. And basically that is how to fix Google Chrome not opening on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.